Hey guys, today we're going to do a price analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum and take a look at some long and short positions that we can take on each. So let's start with a clean chart. And the first thing that we have here is a triangle, which already had its breakout towards the downside, as we can see right here. Okay, we also have a level of support around here. Okay, and let's go to the daily chart and take a look at the moving averages. So let me put this indicator right here, and we can see that the price is very close now to this 20-day moving average right here. It is very likely that it will keep going down and eventually bounce from this 20-day moving average. So we could consider a potential long position around this area right here. Let's take a look at the weekly moving averages. And that makes sense. I mean, look at this rejection from the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average right here. So Bitcoin will have a lot of resistance around this $25,000 area because these weekly moving averages are very strong and they're going to be hard to break for the price. Okay, so now let's take a look at some Fibonacci levels. So we're going to draw our Fib levels between this low and the high right here. And what we notice is that this 38.2, this blue line right here, is also acting as a level of support. Okay, so once the price breaks below this level of support, it will very likely keep going to bounce from this 20-day moving average right here. We also have the golden pocket right here between the 61.8 and the 66.67 area. And we can see that the price also was affected by this golden pocket right here. So let's draw this area, the golden pocket. Okay, and we can also consider a potential long position from this area right here. Okay, so first long position around the 20-day moving average, second long position around this golden pocket right here. And if we do enter this long position, we would need to take profits below this red line, which is the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart. Okay, so that's the analysis for Bitcoin. And now we're going to take a look at Ethereum. So for Ethereum, I have already drawn a few levels that we need to have in mind. Okay, so first of all, we see this breakout from this symmetric triangle. We can take a look at the 4-hour chart, which will be easier to interpret. Let's take this out. Okay, so we had this breakout right here. I actually entered a short position from this breakdown and I took profits around this area right here. And now we have two potential positions that we could take. Of course, this is not financial advice, and I might change a little bit these levels as the price gets closer to them as I see fit. Okay, so for the price to go down towards this area of support, it would need to break this 200-day moving average on the 4-hour chart. And for it to go back to this area of resistance, it would need to break this 20 and 50 moving average on the 4-hour chart. So that's why we're seeing these doji candles right here. There's a lot of indecision in the market due to being there being a very strong levels of support and resistance. So a potential long position could be around this area of support with this 50-day moving average right here. A potential short position could go around this area. Let's take a look at the Fib levels between this low and this high. And yeah, the golden pocket right here is the same as this area of support. Okay, we can also see the 38.2 level holding the price right now, exactly the same as it's happening with Bitcoin. This is very, very predictable. These fib levels are actually very useful together with this moving average and chart pattern. So like and follow and press the notification bell to stay updated on these trades. And I'll see you guys next time.